In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for SaaS niche research fast and easy. Whether you're looking to break into a new software as a service market or just wanting to gauge the popularity of existing ones, Google Trends is an essential tool to have in your arsenal. So let's dive straight in. First, head over to Google and search for Google Trends. Click on the first link you see to navigate to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll see various options to explore trending topics. Click on the Explore link, which will allow you to dive deeper into specific topics and see what's trending over time. Once you're in the Explore section, you can start by entering some SaaS-related keywords. Think about broad terms that are likely to capture a wide array of interests, such as project management software, AI writing tool, email marketing software, and CRM software. Type these into the search box one by one to begin analyzing their trending patterns. After you've entered these terms, hit Enter to view their trend graphs. These graphs will provide visual insights into how interest in these terms has fluctuated over time. But don't stop there. To get a comprehensive view of the trends, adjust the time frame to something longer, like the past 5 years. This will help you identify steady growth patterns or recent spikes in interest, key indicators that a market might be ripe for entry. On the flip side, watch out for terms with declining or flat interest, as they might not hold as much future potential. Another valuable feature of Google Trends is the ability to compare multiple niches directly. Click on the plus compare button and add additional SaaS ideas you're considering. This feature allows you to directly contrast how each niche is performing relative to others. It's a great way to see at a glance which markets are heating up faster than the rest. As you scroll further down the page, you'll find sections for related topics and related queries. This is where you can uncover sub-niches or features that are just starting to gain traction. Look for ones marked as rising or breakout, because these indicate fresh opportunities that are capturing growing interest. For instance, if you notice AI chatbots showing breakout interest, it might be a signal for a hot SaaS opportunity worth exploring further. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to use Google Trends to uncover promising SaaS niches quickly and efficiently. With this knowledge in hand, you're positioned to make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts, whether you're developing a new product or enhancing an existing offering. Remember to check back in periodically as trends can evolve, and staying ahead of these changes is key to maintaining a competitive edge. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.